serving foods that contain chemicals that have been linked to harms and that interfere with their ability to learn.
Gabriel says the legislation would not ban specific foods or products, but it rather encourage companies to make minor changes to products sold in California and could help prompt a nationwide transition to safer alternative ingredients.
Not believe that a single product is going to come off the shelf here, and we know that because they make these same products in Europe, they make these same products in Asia, they make these same products in so many countries around the world.
Actress and activist Leslie Ann Brandt thanked Gabriel and state lawmakers for the work they're doing.
These synthetic chemicals, they contribute to these neurological behavioral issues, to diseases like cancer, to harm their immune system, but also put unnecessary pressure, additional pressure on our teachers who are already dealing with so much post-COVID.
The bill faces a critical vote in the Senate Appropriations Committee next week. And that's a look at what's going on in the Bay Area. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News on San Francisco's BIN 910.
Telling our stories is more important than ever, and the NABJ is committed to training and supporting black journalists, media professionals, journalism students, and educators. Learn more at nabj.org.
Original Black Reporting.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area, BIN 910.
Special thank you to Merck, a proud national partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
Mark your calendars and join us for the 58th Rainbow Push Coalition Convention taking place August 15th through the 18th in Chicago. The annual convention isn't just a meeting. It's a movement towards progress and equality and brings together business leaders, educators, and workers for impactful discussions and action plans. Be a part of history in the making at the 2024 Rainbow Push Coalition Convention. Visit rainbowpush.org for more details. That's rainbowpush.org. Together, we can build a better tomorrow for all.
Behind the Music is back with a podcast.
Everybody hustling thinks they're better than the last guy. Somehow or another, they feel like we're going to stop right before they get shot.
Download the 50 Cent episode now.
He was thinking a step ahead of everybody. When they were thinking 50 Cent, he was thinking 50 Cent, aiming at the brand.
And listen anytime, anywhere with the iHeartRadio app.
But he told me if they're operating on, we may not talk again. That's when I said, you know, he will be lost for that.
Or wherever you get your podcasts.
Headlines every 30 minutes.
Greg Abbott has officially set the special election to replace the late Sheila Jackson Lee.
Black News 24/7. A group of black developers will soon be the new owners of the stadium where the A's baseball team used to play.
The Black Information Network. New Jersey is mourning the loss of James Coleman Jr., a pioneer of the state justice system.
Telling our story. The Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app. Fair Fight promotes fair elections around the country by encouraging voter participation, providing election education, and voter suppression outreach. To learn more, log on to fairfight.com. That is fairfight.com. Telling our stories is more important than ever, and the NABJ is committed to training and supporting black journalists, media professionals, journalism students, and educators. Learn more at nabj.org.
Black Information Network, podcast you should know.
Welcome to the Therapy for Black Girls podcast.
Naomi Osaka is probably the best example when she says, hey, I'm not going to sit with the media. And initially, the narrative being scripted is that she is being a defiant, young, biracial woman, right? And she then uses social media to say, hey, that's not the case.
That was another podcast you should know from the Black Information Network.
Call the Black Information Network hotline and let us know what's happening in your community. 855-500-9CIM. The opinions, beliefs, and viewpoints expressed in this commentary are those of the author and do not necessarily represent those of BIN and its founding partners and employees.
I'm Mo Kelly on the BIN with your 2-minute warning. For quite some time, I've been yelling at the top of my lungs that nobody knows what is going to happen in November. And that's largely because nobody knows what's going to happen politically today, tomorrow, or even next week. And what happens today, tomorrow, and next week greatly influences what happens in November. What November looks like today may look completely different next week, and so forth. The latest example of this is the pick of Minnesota Governor Tim Walz as the vice presidential running mate to Kamala Harris. Politicos can debate how good of a pick it is, but nobody can debate it was a somewhat surprising pick. The odds-on favorite was Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro. The presidential election will hinge on winning Pennsylvania, and Shapiro does well in the media space. But let's keep it 100. Shapiro is Jewish, and the Democratic coalition is fragile, and the landscape is fraught with political landmines connected to the Israel-Gaza war and a possible wider conflict involving Iran and Hezbollah in the Middle East. The last thing you want is splintering protests at the DNC in 2 weeks and negative momentum after the convention. Senator Mark Kelly of Arizona has the military and astronaut pedigree, but a ticket with 2 candidates from the same region typically runs into issues. With that in mind, some may characterize Walz as a relatively safe pick, but with strong union ties that cross state borders. He is more than enough as an answer to his Republican counterpart, J.D. Vance. Most importantly, he in no way diminishes the campaign and party momentum and ever-increasing unity. He feels more asset than liability, but America will have to get to know him more. I'm Mo Kelly at Mr. Mo Kelly on social media, and that's your 2-minute warning on the Black Information Network.
Stories you trust from people you trust.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
Here's what's trending this hour. 4 people are being charged in connection to the death of a black man, Avante Mitchell. And Tropical Storm Debbie is forecasted to make landfall in South Carolina for a second time. I'm Eva Payton, and that's what's trending.
On the Black Information Network, the last week of the Olympic Games in Paris, France. The United States continues its medal lead over other countries. China is second, followed by the host country, France. U.S. women's soccer team continues to reach new heights after topping Germany 1-0 in the semifinals of the Olympic tournament.
Riding back up the mountain, and the way of the gold in Paris.
Women's volleyball team continues to succeed. The straight sets to Madden. American Jackie Thomas surged to victory in the women's 200 final. Thomas led from the gun and finished. St. Lucia's Julian Alfred finishing second.
I think that I have been doing really well with 200 meters all season, but I was confident before that, and I was confident going into the race. I did not realize that I had won this race until I crossed the line. I knew that I was going to have to execute to the finish.
The U.S. men's basketball team cruises into the quarterfinal after taking down Brazil. Devin Booker led the way. Coach Steve Kerr on Nikola Jokic and the Serbians, who are up next in group play on Thursday.
We've had 2 wins against them, but they've proven to be one of the best teams in the world.
Future Sports at 14 and 44 past each and every hour. I'm Ray Harris on the Black Information Network.
The American Civil Liberties Union, founded in 1920, works in the courts, legislators, and our communities to defend and preserve our individual rights and liberties. Find out how you can get involved at ACLU.org. That's ACLU.org.
Voting shapes the future. Don't sit on the sidelines. Join the process and help build a better tomorrow. Learn more at #YourVoteMatters. A message from your home for 24/7 News and the Black Information Network.
The Black Information Network.
24/7 News with the 24/7 hotline.
Hey, this is Mark in Augusta. I think your network's great. Although you couldn't do without Gage here. Gage is just kind of weirdo.
Hi, you guys. My name is Marlo Baron here in Riverside, California. I love listening to your station. It's like, wow, you guys are awesome.
My name is Mickey Samuels. I enjoy listening to y'all. So y'all know what I'm talking about. I was here.
Give us your feedback at
Feather Wings. The parade, a highlight of the festival, saw Rihanna celebrating our heritage in style. TMZ reports this marks her first appearance at the festival since 2019. And the 2024 MTV Video Music Award nominations are out, with Taylor Swift leading the pack with 10 nominations. Also, for Black nominees, SZA is nominated for multiple awards, including Artist of the Year and Song of the Year for Snooze. Megan Thee Stallion received 5 nominations, including Best Collaboration for Wannabe with Glorilla, and Coco Jones is nominated for the first time, including a nod for MTV Performance of the Year for I See You. Victoria Monet also picked up a
Yeah, that's why he deserves for Speedy.
Rapper Sexy Red, also a first-time nominee, is featured in the Best Collaboration category for Rich Baby Daddy with Drake and SZA. For Artists We Love, picking up nominations are Eminem, Kendrick Lamar, Beyonce, Tyla, Doja Cat, Gunna, Travis Scott, Money Long, Alicia Keys, Usher, and Travis. And the Hero with Cardi B. The 2024 MTV Video Music Awards are set to air live on Tuesday, September 10th at the UBS Arena in Elmont, New York at 8 p.m. Eastern. With the latest in entertainment at 17 and 47 minutes past each hour. I'm Bree Wood. I'm your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
Time now for traffic and weather.
On the Bay Area BIN 910.
We begin in San Jose, where we still have work brush fire that has taken away the 2 right lanes southbound 280 at McLaughlin Avenue. Sounds like it's in the cleanup stages that they put the fire out, but those lanes are still blocked. Traffic is stopped on Bird Avenue. And we have this crash northbound 101 before 880 with a couple of vehicles still in the right lane and traffic still backed up to Oakwood Road. People headed towards the lower deck of the Bay Bridge northbound 101 is very slow. Cesar Chavez out to the lower deck of the Bay Bridge. Bay Area weather, we're seeing now partly cloudy skies along the coast with highs in the 60s, mostly sunny inland. Highs in the 70s and 80s around the bay, could touch 100 degrees well inland. With Bay Area traffic and weather, Joe Roberts on the Black Information Network.
Honest, credible, trusted.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area BIN 910. I'm Doug Davis.
And I'm Esther Dillard on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Here are your top stories. Who is Tim Walz? We answer the questions. A black woman is facing up to 20 years for COVID relief fraud, and we are about 90 days out from the election day. And after presumptive presidential candidate Kamala Harris announced Minnesota Governor Tim Walz as her VP pick, those on her short list reacted to the announcement. Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro pledged his support for Harris and spoke during her campaign rally in Philadelphia.
I'm going to be working my tail off to make sure we make Kamala Harris and Tim Walz the next leaders of the United States. She is courtroom tough. She has a big heart. And she is battle-tested and ready to go.
Arizona Senator Mark Kelly on X said he's ready to help her win, and Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear tweeted that he supports this new ticket.
The black mother of a Portland, Oregon teen that lost his life to gun violence says she's had enough. Venetia Landry tells King 5 News that the sudden loss, along with learning about other shootings involving teens, was the final straw. Landry kicked off her Change.org petition to hold parents accountable for their children's criminal ways.
Once the parents see that they can be held responsible, they just start to take more control.
Currently, there is no law in place to hold parents accountable for their child's actions. Landry is on a mission to change that.
Nearly 10% of all U.S. citizens are without health insurance. That's the word from the CDC. A new 2023 report shows that the decrease isn't coming from people living in poverty, but did find a significant uptick in uninsured children. Data release shows that overall, 8.2% of Americans are without it, and the reason is simple: the inflated economy and the rising costs of health care.
A young black entrepreneur who's finding success in his vending machine business is sharing some tips on how he turned his $10K investment into earning $500,000 a year. Marcus Graham is featured on CNBC's Make It news site. He says the best thing to do is to invest in a good website and search engine optimization. Another tip is learn from your mistakes. And lastly, pay it forward by helping someone else realize their dream.
A new statue of Jackie Robinson is dedicated in Wichita, Kansas. Hundreds of people gathered at McAdams Park to dedicate the new bronze statue portraying the first black player in Major League Baseball. The original statue was stolen and destroyed earlier this year. The remnants of the old statue are on display at the Negro Leagues Baseball Museum in Kansas City. The man convicted of stealing that statue that stood outside a youth baseball field where League 42 plays was sentenced to 15 years in prison on theft and other charges. For more on these stories and international, national, state, and local news impacting the black community, listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. On social media, connect...